Today we're making my yummy vegan mac and cheese. Welcome back to my sunshine kitchen. This macaroni and cheese is extremely moreish, feel-good food. Not only is the sauce really tasty, it's full of vegetables and nuts, so it's really nutritious and high in protein too. My recipe is totally oil-free if you skip the optional vegan cheese on top of the bake, and it's gluten-free too if you use gluten-free pasta. So let's cook. This dish is ready in under an hour, which I love for weekdays. Also, I love to batch this recipe. In wintertime, I batch cook a lot of macaroni and cheese for easy weeknight dinners. This is the closest I can find to macaroni here in Cyprus. Sadly, it's not whole wheat and it's not gluten-free. 300 grams normally works perfect in my size baking dish. But if you make too much pasta, does that matter? For the delicious vegan cheese sauce, I boil 400 grams of peeled cubed potato with approximately 225 grams of cubed carrot for flavour and for colour. 15 peeled garlic cloves I add to the pan too and cook these together for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I add 100 grams of diced onion and I cook all the veg for another approximately 5 minutes. For the very best flavour, I don't want the onion soft and squishy, so I'll remove the mix from the stovetop once the potato and carrot are soft, but the onion is still a little crisp. Drain the macaroni and add it to the baking dish. Let's finish this cheese sauce off and get the bake in the oven. If you have a blender that's good with heat, use this to make the cheese sauce. It'll be much faster. Mine's more of a smoothing machine, but my immersion hand blender does a fabulous job, just takes a little bit longer. To make a vegan cheese sauce, fabulously cheesy, I swear by cashews. Last night I soaked 250 grams of raw cashews. Honestly, soaking cashews for 24 hours is so worth it. They get much more creamy to make a fabulously cheesy sauce. Let's add the cashews. Nutritional yeast makes this vegan cheese sauce fabulously cheesy. I like to add 10 tablespoons. One and a half teaspoons of mustard powder. Quarter of a cup of lemon juice. 1 1/4 cups of oat milk. If you like your cheese sauce to be really saucy, of course add more water or oat milk. Plenty of salt and blend. 5 minutes and this will be gorgeously smooth and cheesy. Let's taste test. It's goopy like cheese. It's got a lovely colour. That is so tasty, it's so cheesy. This is a fabulous vegan mac and cheese. We eat this vegan mac and cheese a lot over winter. I use this cheese sauce in lasagnas, in loads of dishes, it's so good. Pour over the delicious vegan cheese sauce and mix in well. Hit the like button if you plan on making this recipe. I bake this macaroni and cheese in my preheated oven on 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 20 minutes to heat through thoroughly. The dish can be served like this, oil-free, or I like to grate half a block of our favourite vegan cheese by Green V and sprinkle this across the top. After 20 minutes, I remove the bake from the oven, spread the cheese over the top, and I put the bake back in the oven to melt the cheese on top, but only for 2 to 3 minutes. On anywhere between 150 degrees centigrade to 180 degrees. And we're ready to serve. I hope you love this vegan macaroni and cheese as much as we do. Please hit the like button if you plan on making this recipe. Subscribe for weekly plant-based vegan recipes. Next week's recipes are my vegan spinach and ricotta cannelloni. This is a fabulous Christmas recipe and I have 4 flavours of mini vegan cheesecakes which are gorgeous and again ideal party dishes. I hope you have a delicious week. Bye!